Thank you for tuning in into my channel where you find all about mixed media, art journal, collage, assemblage and anything else that sparks my interest. Hi, my name is Bea Grob and I'm glad you are here. Hey you, welcome back to another art journal page. We all know I want to fill up this journal. There are a lot of sketches where I just have drawn some faces in. And I think it's time to do something with it. So I was thinking I'm gonna add, that was in my scrap pile too, a piece. I obviously did use her head at some point. So I'm gonna add that, but I think I have to widen the neck a little bit to fit that piece from the magazine. So she's gonna have something like that. Need an eraser. There was somewhere an eraser. Here it is. So I don't need those lines in the middle, and I need those lines here. I obviously wanted the hair going over here, which is fine with me. I also did find this part in my pile. I'm gonna glue that on here, and then I have a saying here which is in German. Occasionally I have it in German, and it says, "Time leaves the most beautiful traces," which I don't know yet where yet. That's gonna be right at the end, because my plan is to glue those things down, adding a little bit of background, then working on the face, and then see what else I need to do. Okay, I'm gonna use a plain, simple glue stick, and I use a scrap piece of paper. And I think I do first this side. As you can see, it is from a art catalog from my area. I decided no longer to have the catalog, just to save some trees. So I don't know what I'm gonna do when have used up all my catalogs as scrap papers. We'll see. I'll figure out something. Okay, now I'm trying to do it as straight as possible. Now what colors for background? Maybe I'm gonna use that blue, because there is blue in here. And I need a bigger brush and my protective mats. Now I need to know how I want to do her hair. Something like that, I think. Here we go. As usual, I try to have brush strokes in different direction, but I do it after the first sort of layer. So I just want something going on in the background. And just to tie it together, I also want to paint here a little bit. Oops, I didn't want the white, but oh well, let's see. With a little bit of a... Yep. Now I think I'm gonna go in with some... Nope. With some green also. Just adding brush strokes. But I need to dry that first. I don't want it to mix it. As you can see, I don't even use a palette. There are so little areas. I think I'm gonna just put a little bit on the brush. I recently did try to make faces with, instead of my homemade skin tone, I figured out that the Amsterdam warm grey makes nice skin colors too. But this time I actually gonna put a little bit on a palette. But first I need, oops, that's not right. I need to do some shading also. A little bit more in here, and then I need my paper stamp, and I'm gonna mix that a little bit here. Now, as I said, I'm gonna try the warm grey again. We'll see. I don't know how it fits with this together, but we'll see. And because it is a yellowish paper, it makes a difference also. I guess I think we're gonna pull that a little bit in here. It's a little bit wet. That's titanium white for the highlights, and for the eyes I have a little boo-boo here. I did paint into the eye, but I think I can fix that. I'm gonna try something which I have never tried, but I have seen it lately somewhere, and unfortunately I don't remember, either on Pinterest or Instagram. Somebody made like pink eyes. That's pyro red, that's not what I wanted. I want the magenta. Here it is. We'll see whether I like it or not. And I'm actually going to mix in some of this neon, just to see. That's way more than what I need. Now I have somewhere scrap pieces of paper. Here we go. Let's see what that looks like. Maybe a little bit more of that. Okay, lady, you get pink eyes. Not sure if I like it. Maybe it is better when the pupils are black, but I'm not convinced. Nope, don't like it. Don't like it. Don't like it. You have to try. I did try and I figured out I don't like it. I think it's gonna be a really dark purple instead. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay, but the hair gonna be somewhat like this color, so I'm gonna mix that all together and see what I get. And I do add a little bit of beige just to tone it down a little bit. I do wipe off a lot of paint and then I go in with that what's left over into the flowers. Just randomly scratch it so that I have more of the same color here. Now I'm gonna try that with the heat gun real quick and then add more details. I don't like the colors of her eyes, so I'm gonna use a Posca pen to make them more bluish. I'm gonna add also a little bit of a purple shadow here. Now that's way more than what I wanted. Now I'm gonna go in with the lines with the deep rose. I just like the look of it. in combination with the graphite. That's a wax-based or oil-based, well, it's actually a Derwent Inktense, but I'm not gonna activate it. I use it as a standard wax crayon. Now, I think that's gonna go here. A little bit of shading in the eyes with this is beige. And the white highlights. I hope you enjoyed. There's something bugging me here. Let's see if I can fix that with some. No, I need the paint. This eye is not correct. Okay, here we are. I hope you enjoyed this little art journal page, and if so, why not consider subscribing, leaving a nice comment, and give me a thumbs up. I appreciate all my subscribers. I hope to see you soon again. Take care. Bye.